Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine at your home. So today we are going to start class 2nd English grammar chapter 8 pronouns. Okay, so what is pronouns? Pronouns is the word replacing nouns. जो किसको replace करता है? Noun को replace करता है. That is pronouns. Okay, for example we are using you, he, she, him, it. They all are pronouns because they are replacing nouns. Because we are not repeat the names again, so that's why we are using pronouns. Okay, for example, when we are telling the name, so for avoiding this we can say he, she, him, her, they, we, I. So they all are pronouns and they are replacing nouns. So here look at the pictures. Who are you? Now you is a pronoun. They are using pronouns here. Okay. Then I am Molly. So I is pronoun. This is my mother. She makes yummy cakes. Now you can't tell your mother name here because she is your mother. So you are going to tell her she. So it's a pronoun. This is my father. He brings me chocolates. Again, it's your father. So you are telling because it's a male. So we are using here he. When there is girl or lady, then we have to use she. And if there is male, so we will use he. This is my house. It is near my school. It's your house और वो किसके नियर है? आपके घर के नियर है. So you are using here it. This is my family. We live together. So why we are using we? When we are talking more than two people, so we are using we. So in our family we have more than two people because we have grandfather, mother, sister. So we are using we. These are my friends. They live near my house. Why we are using here they? Because I am telling about my friends. That's why we are using here they, and they are more than two. But why we are not using we? Because we are telling about someone. Okay, that's why we are using they. So the highlighted words in the above sentence are called pronouns. Pronouns are the words that are used in place of nouns to avoid repetition. When we are avoiding the nouns names, so that's why we are using pronouns. Now read these sentences. I am Annie. Give me that pen. So me is your pronouns. Here I and me stands for Annie. So here I and me is using for Annie. Okay. Now he is Aditya. Call him now. He and him is using for Aditya. He is Aditya is a name. So he and him also stands for Aditya. Now next. We are boys. Talk to us. Here we and us stands for boys. So here is two boys. So we can use we also and us also. Now that is Ira. She is going to school. Let us talk to her. Here she and her stands for Ira. So she is a girl. So that's why she and let us talk to her. So he and her is stands for Ira. They are Ayush and Aditya. Tell them to join us. Here they and them stands for Ayush and Aditya because they are both, and it's a telling about someone, so that's why they are using they. When we are asking, so we will use them. So here they and them is used for Ayush and Aditya. You are a student. I like you. here U stands for a student. So students के लिए हम what we are using U. Okay. Now it is a car by it. Here it stands for the car. It's a car is a thing, so that's why we are using it here. Now come to page number 42. Now the pronouns we and us stands for many. When we are using more than two persons, so we will use we or us. The pronoun she and her stands for one girl. When we have one girl, what will we use? She or her. The pronouns they and them stands for many. When we are using someone else or they are many more than two, so we will use they and them. Rewrite the sentence using pronouns in place of underlined nouns. One has been done for you. Anisha drinks milk every day. So Anisha is a girl, so that's why we are using here she. She drinks milk every day. Now B. Anisha and Unisha drink milk every day. Now we are talking about two persons. So what we will write here? They drink milk every day. So I am also writing here. They drinks every day. Ayush plays football in the evening. Now here name of boy, so we will use here he. He plays football in the evening. Now next, Aditya and Ayush play football every day. Again we are talking about two persons, so they play football every day. Now next, the ball is on the ground. When we have the things, what will we use? It is on the ground. Now again the balls are on the ground. Again the ball, but here is S, means they have so many. So what will we use? They are on the ground. Now exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with I, we, you, he, she, it or they. My name is Riya. So I am in class, because she is talking about her only. That's why she is using here I. I am Jahir. He is Rehan. So they both are. So he is using here we, because he is talking about two persons, Jahir and Rehan, and they both are brothers. So we are brothers. Dash are a good girl. I like you. So we will use here you. He is talking about someone, a girl. So you are a good girl. I like you. Look, Alisha is coming. Dash is my sister. अब Alisha is a girl, so we will use here she. Do you know Riya and Alisha dash are my friend?
Is they.
What will we use here? They, because she is asking about Riya and Alisha. They are my sister. Mr. Mehra teaches us English. Dash is a good teacher. Now Mehra is a boy. or here they have put it here Mr. So that's why we will write here he. Now exercise 3. Match the pronouns with the picture. Now first is bird. So bird is coming in animal. So what will we use? It. Now here is a boy. So boy is coming in male. So we will put here he. Now that boy is talking about herself. Sorry, himself. Okay. So that's why we will use here me. Now here is a family, a big family. So what we will use here? We. Now they. So there is one and two person. So what will we use here? They. Now a girl is standing here. So we will use here she, because she is a girl. Okay students, today we are completed our chapter 8, pronouns. What is pronouns? The word replacing nouns. Okay, so I am putting your date. You also have to put your date. Put your date, and you have to complete your exercise on page number 42 and on page number 43 in your book. Thank you.